Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to learning select and where clause. So where clause, it's meaning where we are going to filter our customer information. So we are going to filter to find the where customer names, or we are going to find exactly customer age or customer salary. How to find exactly? Only we need customer salary. So how we do it? We use where clause, or we want to know a specific name that we are looking for. So how to find? So let's go to find. How to use? Let's go to do it. And we are going to use in where clause. We are going to use so many things. Let's to start to learning the first one. So at first select store from in our table employee where. Now we use where clause, right? So now we are going to find gender, e underscore gender equal to just say male. Let's go to use and to find it. Okay. So we have two males here. See, so now we already find the males, how many males we have here. And also we can go to female, right? Fem also allows to run to find the females. So we have here one female. So and also I write another like this one. And how to find? Let's go to run and to find. So we don't have, right? So in this way guys, how to find? Okay, we are going to change gender to something else. Select start again, employee. Okay, where age, e underscore age, listen searching. So we have only one. See here, only we have a 120. So this is a female, but I write female because of I use it in my last previous tutorial like this. But this one we are going to updates, because how to update, we are going to in the future to update, you are going to learn everything. Just leave it like this, but you understanding how to write. Okay, we just go to change to greater than. Let's to use it greater than. Let's go to run. You see, so the age we have a 40, 50, 35, 55. You see, so we have a greater than this age. Okay, and also we are going to find salary. Okay, just say e underscore salary greater than, just say 60,000, just to find if we have more. Yes, let's look. We have a two customer that they get 90, 95 and 70. So we have a Sam and Yasmin. We have a two customers. They're getting very higher salary in our data. We see how to guys using SQL language or database. So and this way you are going to learning, or you are going to use and to become a full stack data engineers or full stack data science. And thank you. I am happy to here to help you. We are going to guys to learning all these amazing things. Bye for now.